Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add your business location on Google. For example, you can see that I added Simple Answers as an example. To do this, you first need to go onto google.com/business. Once on this page, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on sign in. And you're going to sign in using the Google account that you're presently using. After you have done that, you will be redirected to a page like this. And you're going to enter your business name. So for example, let's say I would like to call my business Simple Reviews. Then you're going to tap on create a business with this name, or you can search for your particular business and you could tap on it. After you have done that, you're going to tap right where you see business category, and from there you can choose the category that your business is in. So you can tap right there, and let's say this was a florist business, I could simply tap there. Then you're going to tap on next. After tapping on next, you will see the option, do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a shop or office? I'm going to tap on yes, then tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you will be prompted to enter your business location. So I'm going to be entering my business location real quick. After you have entered your business location and tap on next, you will be redirected to this page and you will see where are you located, and from there you can simply tap on next. After you have done that, do you provide deliveries or home and office visit? And if you do, you could tap on yes. If no, you can tap on no right there, then you'll tap on next. After you have done that, what contact details do you want to show customers? And you can decide whether you would like to add your phone number or your website. At the moment, I'm not going to add either, so I'm going to tap on skip. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to another page, and from here you will see automatic verification, and you can see you're now verified. Then you're going to tap on next at the bottom of the page. After you have tapped on next, you'll now be able to add your opening hours. So for example, let's say your business is open 5 days for the week. So I'll simply toggle on Monday. Then you can select what time you're open on Monday. So my business is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select 5 p.m. right here. And I will do that. So I can do that for the 5 days of the week. So let's do that real quick. So let's do it for Tuesday. So I'll tap right here, scroll down, and then select 5 p.m. right here. So let's do that real quick. And you would do that going straight down. And then after that, you'll simply tap on next at the bottom of the page. Once you have tapped on next, you can see add messaging. Let customers message your business on Google for free. And I do recommend that you toggle it on. Then you're going to tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you can see add business description. And this is just a quick description of your business that you can type out right here. Then you're going to tap on next or skip. After you have done that, you'll now be able to upload some photos of your shop or your business, as you can see some examples right here. So you can tap on select photos, and from there you can add photos of your business. After you have done that, you're going to tap on next at the bottom of the page. Then you will see the option turn on notifications for surveys and pilots. So you'll be able to get email invites for business profiles that are associated with your Google account. So you could turn that on if you want. Then you'll tap on next. After you have tapped on next, it's easy to advertise in minutes, and you can start advertising your business with Google Ads if you want. For this tutorial, I won't be doing that, so I'll tap on next. Then you'll see your edits will be visible once you're verified, and you'll tap on continue, and you can continue to make updates to your profile at any time, All your edits will be visible to customers on Google once you're verified. Then tap on continue. And now you will be able to see your business page right here. Once it loads up, you can see your location, and you can also come back to this page, and from here you can edit your profile by tapping on edit profile. If you would like to read reviews that persons have left, you could tap on read review right here. And if you'd like to add other photos of your business in the future, you could tap on add photos. If you'd like to also advertise, you could tap on add advertise right there. And if you'd like to add pickup and delivery, you can also do that. There are numerous editing options that you'll have access to on this page, and you will also see the performance of your business. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.